The LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LVAC 200 is a versatile stick vacuum designed for efficient home cleaning. Featuring a tangle-resistant roller and powerful suction, it excels at picking up pet hair and human hair alike. This lightweight, rechargeable vacuum offers up to 50 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. Equipped with a 5-stage filtration system, the LEVOIT vacuum effectively captures pet dander and allergens. Its detachable, washable roller and filters enhance durability and ease of maintenance. The vacuum includes versatile attachments such as a 2-in-1 crevice tool and pet tool, allowing it to clean various floor types and hard-to-reach areas. The dustbin can be emptied quickly with a one-click mechanism, ensuring hassle-free disposal. Ideal for pet owners and allergy sufferers, this vacuum combines convenience with powerful performance. Its lightweight design supports quick pickups and thorough cleaning across multiple surfaces. The LEVOIT LVAC 200 offers reliable, user-friendly cleaning for anyone seeking a cordless solution.